Ever installed a balcony fence before? No or yes? How did you do it? If yes, if no, this is how you do it. So we have cable ties. Hizi ndizo zinasaidia kushika balcony fence kwa the grill for a banini chuma nono kama hii, you have to shambili hivi so that it can fit the large part. Let me show you how. Okay, so this is the upper part na iko na nini kubwa sana. So you join two cable ties and then you make sure that the cable tie cannot be seen from the outside, okay, or from the front. So you make sure you line it under the flowers that way. And then now you come back here and tie it. You tie it. I'm multitasking as I do this and I'm still shooting, so I don't want my phone to fall off. Okay, so you just make sure you tie. Okay, let me just tie it and then I show you. See that? So this is the pattern you use. This is the cable tie, and when you're choosing cable ties, make sure you choose a color that is friendly to your balcony fence. So green ingenanisha tu na black because the other color is either pink or white. So black is the most efficient one. Right? So we tie mpaka huku chini, but I want to do the huku juu mwanzo first. Nifanya huku juu kwanza so that it can give me an easier time. Look, it should appear like that. So let me just hook the studs huku juu and then niwaonyeshe. Nakaa hivyo sasa. And then hapa kwa base you just fold the remaining part hivi. No, the remaining part you fold it underneath like that. Sasa ndo inakuwa at the base with the carpet, inashikana hivyo. See? Hivyo. Okay, so sijamaliza kuweka cable ties. I am halfway. Acha tutumalize. the end. So this one has to overlap the other one because hatuwezi kata. Unaweza kata but si hatutaki kukata. Okay? If you cannot do this, just call me. I'll help you, or you pay me to do it. The balcony fence is 4,000. Delivery 300. Cable ties 300. Installation 500. Do your calculations. Then make a call to 0726 627 327. Lilian, and I'll be at your doorstep within hours. Almost done, guys. Almost done. So I'm done with the first layer. That was the most difficult and the most stressing because now it is rigid. It cannot keep on moving. So I'll do the second, the third, and the lower parts. Boop, 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 boop. The second and the third, it's just one cable tie. Then the lower one, 2 cable ties, like the first. Let's do this. There's something else that I've remembered I've not told you. When you're tying the smaller ones, the smaller grail, because we're using one cable tie, you cannot tie on a single strap. You need to at least tie where there's a cross so that it can hold on tight, because when you tie here it will be a bit loose. Okay, so you tie where there's a cross, like somewhere here. You make sure the cable tie imepitia hapa ikarudilia hapa. Let me show you how. So something like that, like you tie it across hapa mali kuna plus. So unaona sahi hata upepo ikikuja it cannot get loose. Yeah, and then now juu hatutaki indecency, you return this cuffing back okay. We're almost done. Inakaa hivyo sasa. Nimebakisha tu hapa peke yake. But I want to end the video here. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and share the video. Give me orders and I'll be of your help. Thank you. Bye guys. Love you.